Sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. In our daily lives, these five senses work together, and so do the different parts of our bodies, or organs, that control the senses. Sight is our most highly developed sense. It lets us learn different shapes, types of movement, distances, and colors. The eye is the main organ of sight. An opening in the front of the eye, the pupil, lets light through to the retina, which senses light. Millions of cells in the retina turn the light into nerve signals. These nerve signals then travel to the brain. When this process has a problem, people can become short-sighted or even blind. The ear has three different parts which work together so we can hear. The outer ear, its opening, picks up sound waves. When these sound waves reach the middle ear, they touch the eardrum and make the eardrum vibrate. When the eardrum vibrates, sound reaches tiny hairs in the cochlea, the inner ear. These tiny hairs then move. This creates nerve signals that the brain understands as sound. Humans can smell over 10,000 different smells. We do this with millions of smell sensors inside the nose. When smells come into the nose, the sensors pick up the information, and then the nervous system takes the message to the brain. All this happens in under a second. The brain translates it so we can understand what the smell is. Some of the smelling areas in the brain are the same areas that help us remember things. The tongue is the main organ of taste. This is because tiny bumps, called taste buds, cover the tongue. These taste buds contain many taste receptors. When we lick something, or pop a morsel of food into our mouths, the receptors send a message to the brain that tell us exactly what we are eating and if it's tasty. However, we can only taste 4 different tastes: sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. Our skin protects us from things outside our body. It also lets us feel touch. We have more than 4 million touch receptors. These receptors help us feel things like a poke on an arm or a friend's embrace. Other receptors feel temperature or pain. As with all our senses, the information is taken to the brain, which makes decisions and tells the body to ignore the information or to take action. The skin, the ears, the nose, the eyes, and the tongue. With the help of the brain, it is these body parts that help human beings keep safe and fully experience the world around us.